Money, Master the Game by Tony Robbins is a comprehensive work that aims to empower readers to achieve financial independence, providing practical knowledge based on interviews with the world's top investors, along with strategies Robbins has learned throughout his career. The book is both a financial guide and a source of motivation to transform people's relationship with money. Below is a chapter-by-chapter summary, highlighting the key ideas from each section. Robbins divides the book into 7 essential steps to achieve financial freedom. Take control of your finances. Robbins begins by emphasizing the importance of understanding your current financial situation and taking personal responsibility to change it. Become a smart investor. This involves learning about investments and how to minimize risks. Robbins talks about diversification strategies and the power of compound interest. Know the rules of the game. Robbins highlights the importance of understanding how financial markets work, the hidden costs, and fees that can reduce your profits. Invest like the best. Robbins interviews top investors like Warren Buffett and Ray Dalio, extracting advice on how to successfully invest for the long term. Create a lifetime income plan. This part focuses on how to create stable sources of income for retirement, using tools like index funds and other low-risk strategies. Invest for the long term. The author explains the importance of thinking long-term and not being swayed by emotions or short-term market fluctuations. Make a difference and enjoy the process. Finally, Robbins encourages readers to share their success and use their wealth to make a positive impact on the lives of others. Philosophy of the book. Robbins doesn't propose quick fixes or shortcuts to getting rich. Instead, he emphasizes financial education, discipline, and a strategy based on solid principles. He also underscores that financial freedom is not just about how much money you have, but how you manage and invest it. Key takeaways from the book. Diversification. Spread your investments to reduce risk. Hidden costs. Be cautious of fees in financial products. Long-term plan. Don't let emotions dictate your decisions or react impulsively to market fluctuations. Unit 1. Wake up and take control of your financial life. In the first unit, Robbins emphasizes the need to wake up and take control of our personal finances. Most people live in a state of financial ignorance, leaving their economic futures in the hands of others, such as advisors or banks. Robbins insists that one must become the CEO of their financial life. Personal responsibility. The first step to financial freedom is to take full control of your financial decisions. No one will care more about your money than you. Current financial state. The author suggests conducting a financial checkup to know where you are and where you need to go. The power of decisions. Robbins asserts that the decisions we make about money determine our quality of life. Making the right investments, avoiding debt, and setting clear financial goals are crucial aspects. Unit 2. Make the game winnable. In this section, Robbins introduces the concept of setting clear and achievable financial goals. It's essential to define what financial freedom truly means to you, as most people have unrealistic expectations. 4 levels of financial goals. Financial security. Having your basic expenses covered through passive income. Financial independence. Not having to work to maintain your lifestyle. Financial freedom. Being able to do what you want, when you want, without worrying about money. Financial abundance. Having more than you need and being able to contribute significantly to important causes. The 50% rule. Robbins recommends saving and investing at least 50% of any income increase or additional savings to accelerate the path to financial independence. Small changes, big results. Starting with modest changes in how you save and invest can have a massive impact in the long run. Unit 3. Increase the value of your money. Here, Robbins introduces the concept of wise investing, highlighting the power of compound interest. He explains that time is one of the most powerful factors in wealth creation, making it crucial to start investing as early as possible. Compound interest. By consistently investing, your investments grow exponentially over time due to interest on interest. Diversification. Invest in different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, etc., to reduce risk. Choose financial products wisely. Robbins warns about hidden costs, like fees, that can significantly erode long-term returns. Key recommendation. Opt for low-cost index funds. Automated savings system. One recommended strategy is to automate investments and savings so that a percentage of your income automatically goes toward your financial goals. Unit 4. Know the rules of the game. In this section, Robbins highlights that many investors lose money because they don't know the rules of the market. The author insists on the importance of understanding how the financial industry works, avoiding common traps. Beware of fees. Although they may seem small, fees and hidden charges can drastically reduce your profits. Many financial products that appear attractive, such as actively managed funds, often have high costs that make them less profitable. The myth of the financial guru. Robbins explains that even financial experts often cannot predict the market correctly. Instead, it's better to follow simple, long-term strategies. The market is designed to be volatile. Fluctuations are normal and part of the game. Robbins encourages readers to remain calm and not react emotionally to market downturns. Unit 5. Making smart decisions. Lessons from the best in the world. In this chapter, Robbins compiles lessons from the world's top investors, including Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio, John Bogle, Carl Icahn, and David Swensen. Each offers valuable insights on how to build and maintain wealth. Diversification. One of the fundamental principles is not to put all your eggs in one basket. This means investing in different types of assets and geographic regions to mitigate risk. Index funds. John Bogle, founder of Vanguard, is a strong advocate of low-cost index funds, which replicate the market's performance without trying to beat it. In the long run, these funds tend to outperform actively managed funds due to their low costs. Long-term investments. Warren Buffett is a firm believer in long-term investing. According to Buffett, trying to predict the short-term behavior of the market is useless. Instead, investing in solid companies and holding the investment for many years is key to accumulating wealth. Ray Dalio's asset allocation. Dalio suggests a diversified and balanced investment strategy called the all-weather portfolio, which spreads investments across different asset classes to perform well in any economic environment. Unit 6. Create a lifetime income stream. The author introduces the idea of creating income that lasts a lifetime through a lifetime income strategy, allowing people not to run out of money during retirement. Create an income machine. Investing in assets that generate cash flow, such as bonds or dividend-paying stocks, can provide stable income during retirement. Don't run out of money. Robbins suggests structuring investments in a way that you can generate consistent income without depleting your capital. Annuities. While some annuity products are expensive or have a bad reputation, Robbins explains how they can be useful in certain circumstances to guarantee a lifetime income. Unit 7. Live with abundance and contribute. The last unit of the book focuses on how to enjoy and share financial success. Robbins insists that true wealth is not just about having money, but also about enjoying life and helping others. The power of giving. Robbins mentions that giving, whether through donations or helping others, can be one of life's most rewarding experiences. Helping others, he says, also generates a sense of abundance and purpose. Gratitude and perspective. In this section, Robbins emphasizes the importance of daily gratitude. He assures that, while financial freedom is important, what matters most is enjoying the journey and making a positive impact on the world. Final reflection. Money. Master the Game is not just a book about personal finance. It's a philosophy of life that blends the power of personal development with proven investment strategies. Robbins does not promise magical solutions, but he offers practical tools to change one's relationship with money and build a solid financial future. Through lessons from the world's best investors and a clear structure of actionable steps, Robbins provides readers with an accessible and realistic path to achieving financial freedom. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a like so you don't miss out on our content. See you next time.